Hi all, and welcome to another video from Miss Robbie's classroom. I'm your teacher advisor, Ms. Robbie, and today we will have another video on our series of the self-learning modules for English 7. For this clip, you will need the English 7 Module 4 Lesson 2, your activity notebook, and a pen. Pay attention when you hear the bell sound. That means you may need to pause the video in order to do the task given. Then resume the video once you're done. And remember to practice honesty and honor when you're answering your modules. For this module, the competency is divided into 2 lessons. Lesson 1, using the simple past tense, and Lesson 2, using the past perfect tense. For this clip, we will be taking up Lesson 2, using the past perfect tense correctly in varied contexts. So our goals at the end of this clip is that you'll be able to distinguish past perfect tense form of verbs, utilize varied past perfect tense conjugation in constructing sensible sentences, and display your resourcefulness in gathering data or information. And so with that, let's talk about Module 4, Lesson 2, using past perfect tense correctly in varied contexts. Before we go on, let's see what you know about the topic. Read the sentences, then choose the letter of the correct answer. Like in number 1, we blank finished eating dinner. What would best complete the sentence? Letter A, had not. Letter B, not had. Or letter C, have not. The correct answer is letter A. Write your answer in your activity notebook. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! Welcome back! Were you able to answer all items in what I know? Perfect! Now let's see how you did. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module. Pause this video while you check your work. How did you do? You got a perfect score? Awesome! Almost perfect? That's alright. Let's do better next time. Let's have more activities that have something to do with our lesson today. This time, let's answer together what's in page 3. Complete the sentences in the past perfect positive. Like in the example, I lost the key that he gave to me. Write the past perfect of give, and that will be had given. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! Welcome back. Were you able to answer all items in what's in? Perfect. Now let's see how you did. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module. Pause this video while you check your work. How did you do? You got a perfect score? That's great! Almost perfect? That's alright. Let's do better next time. Are you ready for a challenge? Go to page 4. Complete the sentences in the past perfect, but this time in the negative form. Like, for example, the waiter served something that we not order. Writing the past perfect, it will become had not ordered. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! Welcome back. Were you able to answer all items in what's new? That is awesome. Now let's see how you did. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module. Pause this video while you check your work. How did you do? Got a perfect score? That is awesome! Almost perfect. But that's alright. Let's do better next time. So do you have an idea what we will be talking about today? That's right. We'll be talking about using the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense indicates that an action was completed, finished, or perfected at some point in the past before something else happened. Looking at the picture, you can see that 2 actions happened in the past, but the first one happened before another. The first completed activity will have the past perfect form, while the second activity will have the past form. Past perfect tense is formed using the past tense of to have, which is had, plus the past participle of the verb, whether it will be regular or in irregular form. Like for example, walk, walked, had walked. Come, came, had come. Bring, brought, had brought. Sing, sang, had sung. Go, went, had gone. In these examples, event A is the event that happened first, and event B is the second or the more recent event. Let's read them all aloud. John had gone off when I arrived in the office. I had saved the document before the computer crashed. We had already started cooking when they arrived. If you notice, for the first event, they all have the past perfect tense, while the second event uses the past tense of a verb. Here are more examples of the past perfect tense in the affirmative, negative, interrogative. Let's read all together. I had decided. I hadn't decided. Had I decided? You had decided. You hadn't decided. Had you decided? She had decided. She hadn't decided. Had she decided? We had decided. We hadn't decided. Had we decided? They had decided. They hadn't decided. Had they decided? Well done! The past perfect can also be used with the word just. Just is used with the past perfect to refer to an event that was only a short time earlier than before. Like for example, let's read together. I had just eaten when his friends arrived. She had just left the room when the police arrived. I just put the washing out when it started to rain. If you'd like to know common verbs and their past participle forms, just type in this link for a list of the common verbs and their past perfect forms. Now let's apply what you just learned about the past perfect tense. Go to page 6 of your module and write your answers in your activity notebook. Complete the questions in the past perfect tense. Like for example, you finished your homework before you went to the cinema? Changing it to the past perfect tense, it becomes, had you finished your homework before you went to the cinema? Now it's your turn to answer the rest. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome back everyone. Were you able to answer all items and what's more? Great. Let's see how you did. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module. Pause this video while you check your work. Did you get a perfect score? Awesome. Now go to page 6 of your module. What I have learned. Read carefully the given sentences, then write the correct conjugation of verbs to complete the other sentences. Like in number 1. First, she graduated and then she started to travel. The correct answer would be, after she had graduated, she started to travel. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! Welcome back. Were you able to answer all items in what I have learned? That is awesome. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module. Pause this video while you check your work. How did you do? You got a perfect score? That is great. Almost perfect? That's alright. Let's do better next time. Now go to page 7 of your module. Copy the sentences and write your answers in your activity notebook. Use the past perfect tense to complete the dialogue below. Example: Gina. Hello, Sarah. Where had you gone? Hello. I had gone to Cebu Safari. Will you be able to complete the dialogue below? Let's do it. Welcome back, everyone. Were you able to answer all items and what I can do? Great. Go to page 10 to 12 of your module and check your work. It's assessment time. Go to page 8 of your module and answer the assessments. Write your answer in your activity note. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the past perfect tense. To make sure that you apply the lesson you just learned, I want you to do the remaining activities on this module. Go to page 9, additional activities. Based on the schedule below, make 2 sentences with the past perfect tense with what Rita had already done and what she had not done yet when her mother arrived at home. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and Rita's mother arrived at home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Using Rita's schedule, these are the activities that she was able to do before her mother arrived. And these are the activities that she was not able to do before her mother arrived. So I can make a sentence that Rita has already done. Rita had cleaned the house before her mother arrived. And an activity that she had not done, Rita had not lit the candles when her mother arrived. Can you make your own sentences? Let's do it! Now you're all set for Module 5. Until next time, this is your teacher, Miss Robbie. Happy studying, guys!